Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, we are January 2024. What's the market share for Windows versions? This is going to be an interesting one to look at. So, just a little recap. If we look back in January of last year, as this is the first month of the year, we had in January of last year a market share of 68.8% of all Windows PCs were Windows 10. And we're at a situation where it's not that far right now, but it had climbed because we had the Windows 7 operating system that was abandoned totally, which meant that it actually moved up to 73% in February. Now, the situation we've had in December a market share of 67.4%, which is a decline of more than 0.5%. So it's a faster decline. We've seen that the last 2 months, basically the operating system Windows 10 has been declining fast and faster, actually. So this is going to be interesting. Is that decline going to continue at that speed? That will be an interesting thing to look at. The funny thing about it is that it doesn't reflect this month with Windows 11. Windows 11 was at 26.6 in November. It ended December with 26.5. That's kind of in the margin of error, so we can pretty much say that Windows 11 stayed put at the same level. So this is interesting. Where did that bigger decline go to? That's quite interesting. One thing for sure is it doesn't reflect. Usually when there's a big decline of more than 0.5% in Windows 10, we can say that there's a steeper climb of Windows 11, but it doesn't reflect this month. So this is where we're at the beginning of this year. And if we look at Windows 11 in January of last year, so the numbers were that we had 16.9 December's and 18.1% in January. So we've gone from 18.1 to 26.5, which in itself in a 1 year of Windows 11 didn't really climb that much. So it's not climbing fast, that's for sure. So we'll see what's next for the operating systems. 67.464 Windows 10, 26.5 in second place for Windows 11. And then it goes down to Windows 7 at 3.3. So this is interesting. Windows 7, small market share, but still kind of hanging a little bit. A lot of businesses probably still using Windows 7 for specific tasks. But it is a very, very small market share, definitely. So that's going to be an interesting look at what will happen with Windows 11 and also how fast will Windows 10 decline in 2024. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.